Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to implement a practical example. Calculate the average salary of the all employees. So create array, integer type over float data type, salaries, and here the size of the array is 5, or you can say that 4. And here you can initialize the array like this way: 3000, 2000, 2500, 3500, and 6000. And then here integer variable for the loop and float variable for average. Loop I is equal to 0, I less than equal to 3, and I plus plus. First of all, the formula for average is total number of turns over the sum of total number of turns divided by total number of turns. So first calculate the sum of all the values, and for that create a variable, and that is integer sum is equal to 0 and sum is equal to sum plus salaries I, like this, and average is equal to sum divided by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So change into 5 and also like this way, and here 5. So here print a message like this way: average salary is F AV, comma, compile and run the program, and here is comma, and the average salary is 3400. So this is the practical example. You can also change like this way and run the program again. Now the average salary is 8600. Now we are going to learn about how we can insert value at the starting point of the array. So first of all, delete this value, and now our problem is we are going to insert our value here, starting point of the array. Like suppose if I want to insert 1000 here, but how it is possible like that? First of all, copy the last value into index, which is 4, like here, and then copy one by one all the values into next index. So how it is possible? Like the size of the array is 5, and from index number 3, because the values are 0, 1, 2 and 3. From index number 3 we want to move this value into index number 4. So here change the name of the array like this, array, and I plus 1, because I want to store the value of I3, which is here, into 4 index. So 1 I plus 1 is equal to 4, and store value of 3 I. So and then so the value of index 4 will be 3500. Now I can store value of index 0, 1, 2 into index 3. So that's why decrease the I decrement operator by using, and I can check like I is greater than 0. Then stop this process because all the values are moved to step 1. So here, and then AR0 is equal to 1000 as according to our plan, and by using for loop, first of all here declare I, we can display I0 I less than is equal to 4 I plus plus printf values d I n, and save this one, run and compile, and here is the error because there's semicolon. Also put semicolon here, run and compile, and array 1000 because first of all change this one and also delete the value 1000, 4000, 4000, 30, 2500 and 3500. We have must be something wrong. Oh, just put equal sign and run the program again. So value 1 is inserted according to our problem. So the first value is 1000, but here is the first value is 30,000, and then 30,000, then 4,000, then 2500, and then 3500. So like change this one to 3000, and like 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1. Now run and compile the program. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just we are going to move this value to the next step, like 5. Like 5 is going toward next indexed and 4 to next index and so on. So thank you for watching this video.